I just got off of work, but I just bought some new products. So this is a quick video. See if it's gonna make it up. Anywho, so went to Sephora first. Only went in there to buy one thing because the outfit idea I have in mind coming this weekend will look really good with the lipstick. So I got the Fenty Beauty. I got the Fenty Beauty in Wasabi. And I tried it on at Sephora. I didn't want to order it online because if I wasn't going to like it, why would I buy it? But I'm kind of weird. I've been keeping the packaging for all my Fenty, so I'm going to keep the package for this. You never know. This is like her first collection, so I might make it to like an arts and craft kind of thing. Anywho, I was gonna say, well, the green actually looked really good on me, and this is what it looks like. It's soft. It's super soft. Like, I thought it was gonna be drying, but not really. Anywho, so yeah, I got that. Let me slide it with the rest of my Fenty stuff. I got Bite Cosmetics. Bite Beauty, sorry. I got their Agave Sugar Lip Scrub. It's an exfoliating scrub. I also tried this at Sephora, and I thought it was really nice. Lip scrub. And you can lick this off. Main directions, I don't know. But you can lick this off, but you just scrub it on there. It's really like soft. You feel your lips being really soft afterwards. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty nice. It's pretty cool. Also went to TJ Maxx. I went there originally so I can do a return, but end up being in the beauty section, and let me tell y'all, just start utilizing y'all TJ Maxx because they got some good stuff. I got the Anastasia blush kit. I'm so excited about this because I wanted it for a long time, but I wasn't gonna pay that full price. Like, what is it originally? $33. I got it for $19.99. Like, fuck it. The Radiant kit, yeah, and it comes with the colors Spoiled, Coastline, Breeze, and Terrace. So it's okay. Ooh, feels really soft. It feels really velvet, like, and it's really pigmented. I didn't do much, but if you can see it, for a light swatch, pretty good. That's the Kat Von D Locket Color Correcting Eyeshadow Primer. It's like $4.99. I got it in medium. It's like everything broke still, but this is what it is. And yeah, also got the Anastasia liquid lipstick in Catnip. So I thought this was gonna be cute. Got that. Also just got like a quick liner. It's from YADAH. I'm guessing these people are Japanese. I'm guessing, but it's just, it says quick dry liquid eyeliner, and it was like $2.99. And it's like one of these eyeliners. And I needed a new one, so I don't know. Maybe it's pretty nice. I don't know. The tip is soft. Might do me some justice. Shoot. I was getting over a cold. It's dry pretty quick. That's amazing. It's just a quick haul. Honestly, let me keep my receipts. Little quick Holly haul. You know, I didn't even do it, but I did it. So, shit.